Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this. It's a 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV Red Diamond LE trim level Canadian spec. And we'll talk about this in this video, what you get with LE, what it all comes with, and where the value is. Now, in Canadian market, so ES is the base trim level, then you have SC, then you have LE, then SCL would be something like that, next one up, and then we have the fully loaded GT. Now, when it comes to a difference between the base ES and SC, you have a lot of like these visual differences that would be different. Also like 3-zone climate control, wireless charger, like power lift gate and all that. There's a lot that you get with SC trim level. And there's also quite a few things that you get the SE trim level and you upgrade to LE, which is this one. But then all of those differences are inside of the vehicle. So visually, SE and LE look the same. There's no real way how to tell it, but inside there's quite a bit of a differences, and right now we're gonna have a look at it interior up closer and we'll check out all these differences. Now just wanted to remind you that Outlander PHEV is really cool when it comes to already standard equipment. So standard from factory, even an ES trim level has super all-wheel control, has 20 kilowatt-hour battery, has this rated 62-kilometer range here in Canada, has all the drive controls, has 7-seat capacity, and all the like 12.3-inch screen driver display. So that already comes with like literally every single one of them. But when it comes to technology, then we keep on adding options, adding visual, adding, and that's how we come up with these trim levels. Now, the MSRP difference between the SE and LE, which is this one, so you pay 2,200 Canadian dollars more. So everything that we're going to talk about inside of the vehicle, you pay $2,200 extra. Now, that's just the MSRP. The real price difference might be different because some color charges are more. So this one here is a premium finish paint charge. It's a red diamond and it costs $450. And also we have some accessories, side moldings, hood emblems, and there could be many more accessories that you can put on. So here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we have very good selection on all sorts of Mitsubishi and all sorts of cars. You can test drive all of them. Just come on here if you're local to us, and I bet you will enjoy what you see. Okay, now let's move on to interior of this vehicle. I really like this red diamond, by the way. Absolutely one of my favorite colors. It looks really cool in the rain, in the sunshine, direct sunlight or not. It looks really, really cool. Absolutely love it. And especially with this color matching side molding. You can check those side moldings out at my accessory store, mrmitsubishi.ca, and I do free shipping to Canada, US, and many other places. You can install them yourself as well if you want to. I do a lot of do-it-yourself videos on that as well. Okay, LE trim level. So the number one thing that pops up is these suede seats. So these seats are different than the SC. On the SC, you have manual adjustable, just the regular seats, but these ones are these nice suede seats and they're power adjustable. They are in fact 8-way power adjustable. So you have sliding, reclining, height adjustable, tilt, and lumbar support as well. So there's a lot of people who like the lumbar support. So, and this is what the LE trim level will give you. So we can see how the lumbar adjusts, goes up and down like this. So you have that. So this is a deal breaker for many people. So if you are one of them, there we go. LE trim level is an answer for you. The panoramic sunroof is already with SC trim level, so that's not different. But as we open the door, for sure we can see the you know, the nice seats. I really like these seats. Always reminds me, I think way back when Audi was the first one who had these Alcantara kind of seats on their like S lines and whatnot, and looked really cool. So that always reminds me of that part. So we also have a 9-inch smartphone link display audio. That's what it's called. So you have 8 inches on the SC, so slightly bigger size on that. And we're always happy with bigger screens. So these days, everybody's just racing for bigger screens and everything else. Like I mentioned outside, this screen right here, it's the same screen on all PHEVs. Even the base ES will have this screen, and of course you move up trim levels, the screen is going to stay the same, but this screen just becomes bigger with LE trim level. Now If you're in a vehicle, you have paired your phone and everything else, that will give you the Android Auto capability and the wireless Apple CarPlay. So Android Auto is not wireless even if you move to the top trim level GT, but Apple CarPlay. So good news for Apple users. If you have Apple, then starting LE trim level, the wireless options there. So then this is going to just be displayed right here, and you can see your Apple CarPlay on this secondary screen right there. Also comes with the navigation. So if you're interested in navigation using the factory navigation, this is where the LE trim level comes in as well. Now with the GT, if you would go with GT, then you have like head-up display, and then the TomTom is linked to your head-up display. It's going to show you street names, directions, and everything else. So there's lots of technology that will come with the GT. But for your daily navigation use, if you don't want to use your phone's navigation, this is a fantastic option. Now, also one thing I wanted to mention is the app. If you have the app, you know, desire to get the app, the Mitsubishi Connect app with the trial is also included in the LE trim level, so you can adjust the temperatures, pre-cool, heat the vehicle, and do all sorts of things. So one thing that is very helpful on your daily drives is going to be 360 camera, or Mitsubishi calls it multi-view camera system, and it also has the moving object detection. So every time when you park and there's some cars moving around you or somebody moving around you, then you can have you know, they'll beep. So let's see, somebody's trying to park. Let's see if no, they drove away. That's okay. I thought they'll try to drive here and we can test the moving object. Well, maybe we will. Let's see. There you go. Real life unplanned experiment. Let's see how it goes. Okay, didn't quite pick up the car. I guess it was too far of radar, but you have this MOD light right here. So if it goes a little bit closer, then it'll pick it up, and then it'll beep and warn you. I've tried these things, the moving object detection and the rear cross traffic alert and all sorts of things. In real life, it's very, very helpful, and it notifies you nicely and lets you know that somebody's in your proximity area. So 360 camera to me is definitely worth option. So that's that. So just want to show you a few more things, of course, but I just wanted to cover very quickly. This is what we talked about, what's going to be included in your upgrade SE to LE. So $2,200 is going to give you these suede seats that are 8-way power adjustable for the driver, including the lumbar support. Then you have 9-inch smartphone link audio display, so inch bigger. So you have Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, you have embedded navigation, TomTom navigation, app functionality, 360 camera with moving object detection. So that's what you get if you move up to LE trim level. Otherwise, inside the vehicle, of course, we have lots of good options: heated seats, heated steering wheel. This is that drive selector. By the way, try the power mode. Even if you're coming here for a test drive, to test drive it, just click that in power mode and see how much more power you get out of that PHEV. And echo and everything else, you can try those. And as you switch, you can see how nicely everything is adjusting there as well. These two buttons are for EV selector right here, so we can go EV, normal, save, charge. I talk about that on my channel as well quite a bit, and this is innovative pedal as well. So there we go. Let's check out the exterior one more time, and then we will wrap it up. So this is how we're looking. Beautiful LE trim level. Looks the same as SE trim level, but it's all about what's inside of the vehicle, what matters. Then this is what you get. So if you want to have this nice look that SE from SE to LE upgrade will give you, so you have that nice looks, and then you have a lot more technology inside. And of course, the biggest thing that you can notice are those seats. So overall, I gotta say, people love these PHEVs, and I see a lot of non-Mitsubishi clients that never even paid attention too much to the brand. They're always like Toyota or some other brands. They're now coming in, test driving, and they're truly impressed with the Outlander PHEV. So thank you so much again for checking out this video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, see you soon next time. And if you want to browse different kinds of videos on my channel, please feel free to do so. So thanks again, and see you next time around.